How to travel Europe on a budget in 2025. Dreaming of Europe but worried about the cost? Don't stress. In 2025, traveling through Europe on a budget is easier and smarter than ever. Here's how to explore the continent without breaking the bank. Travel off-peak and use budget airlines. Avoid high seasons like summer and Christmas. Instead, book during shoulder months like April, May, September or October. Use budget airlines like Ryanair, EasyJet and Wizz Air for cheap intercity flights. Always compare prices using Skyscanner or Google Flights and book early for the best deals. Use rail passes and overnight buses. If you prefer trains, consider getting a Eurail pass. It offers unlimited travel across several countries and saves tons of money. For longer distances, Flixbus and BlaBlaCar buses offer ultra-cheap fares, especially when booked in advance. Bonus tip? Overnight buses save you the cost of a night's accommodation. Stay cheap. Hostels, Airbnb and work exchanges. Instead of hotels, go for hostels, budget-friendly Airbnbs or platforms like Couchsurfing for free stays. Want to live like a local? Try Workaway or Worldpackers to exchange a few hours of work for accommodation and meals. You'll save money and experience authentic culture. Eat smart. Local markets and street food skip pricey restaurants. Visit local markets, cook your own meals or grab street food. In cities like Lisbon, Budapest or Athens, you can get tasty local dishes for just a few euros. Look out for Menu of the Day, Menu del Dia deals. It's how locals eat well on a budget. Free attractions and Walking Tours Europe is packed with free attractions, iconic parks, museums with free entry days, cathedrals and historical walking routes. Join free walking tours offered in most major cities. Just tip your guide at the end. Get a local SIM or eSIM for internet. Avoid roaming fees by buying a prepaid SIM card or using affordable eSIM providers like Airalo or Holafly. You'll need it for navigation, bookings and language translation apps. Use city tourist cards. Many European cities offer tourist cards like the Paris Pass or Berlin Welcome Card. These give you free access to transport, attractions and even discounts on food. Great value if you're staying a few days. Final tip: plan ahead. Be flexible and embrace slow travel. The less you rush, the more you save and enjoy. Ready to see Europe without draining your wallet? Hit subscribe, drop a comment with your dream destination and start planning smart. Travel more, spend less. You've got this.